Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to fix iPhone disabled connect to iTunes error. If you enter the wrong passcode on your iPhone 10 times in a row, your device will lock you out and show the message, iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes, a Mac or PC. At this point, you won't be able to access your phone without using a computer. The solution is to put your iPhone into recovery mode and either restore from a backup or reset your device completely. First, enter recovery mode, which involves a specific button combination depending on your iPhone model. Once in recovery mode, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC. If you're on macOS Catalina or later Open Finder, your iPhone will appear in the sidebar under Locations. Click on it. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier or a Windows PC, you'll need to use iTunes. Make sure it's installed and up to date. Then select your device from the top or side panel depending on the version of iTunes. Now click on Restore. This will erase your iPhone and remove the passcode. If you previously backed up your device to iTunes or iCloud, you'll be able to restore your data after the reset. If not, you'll need to set it up as a new device. Restoring installs the latest iOS version and walks you through setup, allowing you to regain access to your iPhone. To avoid this situation in the future, always back up your device regularly using iCloud or your computer.